We really want the conference to encourage collaboration between all those who have a role to play in improving legal services for users and the public, to promote examples of good practice and leadership to encourage others to play their part in tackling the sector's challenges. It should provoke regulators and the wider sector to think more broadly about what we must do to ensure that the sector can meet the challenges ahead. At the last conference, we had a panel which explored the impact of aggressive litigation, so for example, silencing victims through the misuse of non-disclosure agreements. And then over the last year and a half, we've developed our professional ethics and rule of law programme of work to ensure that legal professionals uphold the highest standards of professional ethical conduct to rebuild public trust and confidence in legal services. Equality, diversity and inclusion was also a key theme at the last conference, and we've since published research on the lived experiences of lawyers from underrepresented backgrounds. So our focus now is on ensuring that we use that evidence that we have developed to foster policies to ensure a more equal, diverse and inclusive legal profession.
I think one of the things that can be done to build trust is focusing on ethics. We have to make sure that there aren't any groups of people whose trust or confidence in the sector is being reduced or diminished. We need to do more to widen access to justice. It's not okay that the UK is ranked 45 out of 46 wealthy countries on access to justice by the World Justice Project Rule of Law Index. It's not okay that 84% of the population don't have access to a welfare benefits legal aid provider. This means that they can't challenge decisions. And it's not okay that we don't have a national approach or a strategic approach to early advice, especially when we know that access to early advice is cost effective. The Legal Services Consumer Panel held a seminar last October. We had stakeholders from the advice sector, from charities, we had regulators come in to participate, but the evidence of the need was overwhelming. And so we must respond robustly and with energy.
The aim of the conference is to make attendees think about the challenges and opportunities facing the profession and what can be done to improve outcomes for people who need legal services and to take action. We hope that by the end of the conference, everyone will have heard something to make them reflect their or their organisation's current practices and be able to identify something that they can do differently.
I really hope everybody goes away and really thinks about the lives of the individuals that are ruined sometimes when they don't have access to justice. I really hope that we can rise to the challenge, all of us,